Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your light not turning on or flickering on ULANZI L023. If it is not turning on, let's talk about that first. Make sure that it's charged, so when you put the switch in the 1 position, make sure that it turns on. If it doesn't, plug it into either the USB-C port or the DC port. If you plug it into the USB-C and your charger doesn't support 65 watts, let it charge for a moment before you start using it. It just needs to have enough power to run. But if your charger supports 65 watts, you should be able to run the light at the same time while charging it, so that's great. Now you can see the light is still not yet on. To turn it on, you need to turn the left knob all the way to the right side until this display shows up. Now you can see the light's on. I have it in eco mode, which means it's 1% and it says eco. When I press on the right knob, it turns to 100 now. It's in CCT, so it's just standard light. I can change the CCT here, of course, to change the warmness, the color of the light. I could also change the brightness here. But now, if your light is flickering, make sure that it's not in any mode. Now, I'm warning you that in this part of the video there will be some flickering, so you may want to either not look at the video. I'll tell you when it's finished, or something, if you are light sensitive, light flickering sensitive. Now, when I press and hold on the left knob, I'm setting my light to the modes, to different modes. You can see now it is flickering. When I slide here, it is now changing to lighting mode, which is just simulating lighting in a thunderstorm. TV, which is also going to flicker. You can see it is flickering a little bit. Candle, which is also flickering. Fault bulb, which is going to flicker a lot. Strobe, which is also going to flicker a lot. Paparazzi, which is also going to flicker. So these modes are effects, and if you want to get out of it, just press and hold on the left knob to go to CCT, and now it should be working. Although if it is flickering while you're in CCT or the Eco CCT mode, then you either not have enough power for the light to run, and it's just like trying to decide whether to run or not. The battery is like not providing enough power, or there's something going on wrong with the light, and I would just contact some service support to get it fixed. Although just make sure that it's charged. It's best to charge it all the way up to make sure that when it's charged, it's working. If it's not, then it's some issue. Make sure you're not in the mode. By the way, the flickering has finished, so that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.